just had a pipe burst and I pulled out my insurance policy and I can't understand if my policy covers this damage or not. What should I do? Hey, this is Mendy with My Insurance Claim Expert, here to answer all your insurance related questions. So we encounter this quite often, and the great thing is that you did the smart thing by pulling out your policy to read it before you filing a claim. You don't want to file a claim if it's not going to be covered. There's no reason to file a water claim if your policy excludes water. So what I recommend is pull out that full policy. Now, if you're only seeing 5 pages, that's not enough. Contact your insurance agent, tell them you need to see the full policy, or go to your insurance carrier's website and see if you can download the full policy over there. When you do download it, you're going to have 50 to 100 pages. Read it all. Okay, besides for the basic language of the policy, you're going to encounter amendments to the policy, exclusions, addendums, riders, etc. Read all of it, and anything that touches on the area of your concern, highlight it. You probably won't understand all of it because at the end of the day, it is extremely confusing, that policy. Do the insurance companies purposely make those policies confusing? I can't answer that question, at least not on camera. However, highlight, you may not understand it all, but you'll understand enough information to be dangerous. And then send those snippets, send the policy to a public adjuster and say, hey, am I covered or not? Here's some things I noticed. This policy seems to suggest that I am covered. This one suggests I'm not. This one suggests a limit. And any public adjuster worth their salt will be happy to review that for you and give you an opinion whether you should file a claim or not. I hope this information has been useful. As always, please share, like, comment, tell the world about us, and email your questions to questions@pantherpa.com. Have a great day.